refer to this lessons if you want to, but no one does it lah, except for no one. Not no one lah. Some do lah. Volume, maybe Umaira does. No. Okay, so if you want to find volume, you cover volume. What I mean by cover volume? Let's say you erase volume, and then what happened? Length times breadth times height is the answer. If you want to find length, okay, you imagine that you cover length, and then what you get? Volume divided by breadth times height. That means the formula for breadth, okay, sorry, length. The formula for length is equal. Now look at this. Volume is above over breadth times height. And if let's say, breadth times height. Can you see now how to use this triangle? Is very helpful triangle. All right. Now I put that length now. If you want to find the breadth, okay. Now, so what do? You very simple. You look at the thing. Volume divided by length times height. That's how to find the breadth. Okay, you can use this triangle that way. And the last one, if you want to find the height, okay, if you want to find the height, what do? You just cover height, and then you got the formula already. Voila, wallah. Maybe the West they say wallah, but actually I think it's Allah or wallah. Right now, that you want to find the height is volume divided by length. So the formulas all here. You can take this down if you want to. Okay, but I am now going to go through. If not, you can watch the video lah. I'm going to clear this. Maybe I don't clear that. I'm going to go to the page now. Let's see this page now down here. But there's so much chonting, so I need to clear. Sorry, I need to clear it. You try now. They are asking you to find the volume of the cuboid, and please go. Please try. Jiayo, jiayo. Kamu Usna Syafia. Usna Syafia baru bangun Just woke up. You are sleeping beauty lah, sleeping beauty. Who was the prince who woke you up? Immediately woke up with a kiss on the prince. Batal puasa. Got a puasa for 2 months straight. Umaira Al-Mutahar. What's your answer, Miss Umaira? Don't go playing hide and seek, Miss. Umaira, paging for Umaira. Are you there, Umaira?
I'm still here.
Why you turn off your video? Everyone wants to look at you.
No, I need to take something.
It's okay. Come. Come. It's okay. You're gonna take something. At least I can see you taking something. Come, Izzat, you're looking elsewhere. Izzat, what's your volume? Send your volume by chat. Come. You know how to use the chat button. Press the chat button. Say what's type in the answer. You got to ciayo. Usna Syafia, bangun. Okay, we need to use some minyak kapak, please. Please do so, okay? I'm not advertising for that. Don't write on the screen, Syafia. Why
accidentally.
No, accidentally. It's purposely lah. Okay, let us see now. We have one answer from Shalina. Let us see whether Shalina is correct. We're waiting for the rest. Okay, Shalina, just we wait for another 30 seconds, okay? But I'm going to check your answer now. Okay. Okay, congratulations, Miss Shalina. What about the rest? And we have another answer coming in. The answer is from Norizat. Norizat, your answer is not down here, Norizat. It's 26, 26, tak ada lah. That means your answer is not one of these. It's some MCQ question.
Only for today.
Sorry?
Is he only in replacement for today only?
Why you say that you don't want him to be here?
But
Hey, he's here forever. She wants to be friends with you.
okay.
Okay, Ami wants to be friends with all of us. I'm joking. Izzat, I'm joking, Izzat. You're okay, right, Izzat? Okay, you look different without the mask. Okay, so it's very simple. How to find volume? Hey, come on. You guys don't know. We find length times breadth times height. We just went through the formula, right? So length times breadth times height. But you see, you cannot use a calculator. Some of you do not know what to do. Okay, no problem. Let us go through this. Okay, length times breadth. 9 times 7. What's the answer? 63. 63 times 4. Well, if you do not know 63 times 4, write it down here. 63 times 4. I'm waiting for Umaira. Umaira is very fast, but she doesn't want to show off for now. 6 times 4, 20. Sorry. 3 times 2, 12. Carry 1, not 2. Carry 1. Sorry. Messy. Carry 1. Okay, and then we have 6 times 4, 24. Plus 1, 25. 252. Okay, 252. We are moving to the next one. All right. Now remember the unit is cubic cm, cm cube. This one now. Ratio. Can you try a ratio? Okay. Is that?
Teacher, I got this paper.
What paper is that?
This one lah, maths workbook.
Oh, you got this paper. Good. I
Yeah.
see you spinning around and round in the
Yeah.
room. Where are you going? Running away from someone? It's okay.
Lah.
Why are you running away? Oh yeah, Sleeping Beauty, yeah. Very pretty. Everyone wants to chase her. The other girls don't be jealous.
I don't like to sleep.
Oh, don't like to sleep. Really? You do as if you just woke up on sleep. Do you just wake up on sleep?
No, I was climbing.
Climbing? What are you climbing?
There's a new bench, so I climb on the bench and I sit on the wall.
Wow, sat on the wall. Oh my goodness. You know, I know one other person who did that, but he broke his head. His name is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall and had a big fall. Okay, come.
Yeah, but I think I'm less careful. I mean, I'm more careful.
More careful than Humpty Dumpty. Okay, all
Teacher,
right.
wait.
Plus, he's fragile and he's an egg. I'm not an egg.
Okay, yes, we see that he's an egg. Let us see, we have no result with the answer. What about the rest?
I'm
The
almost
rest.
done. I'm almost done. Wait.
Okay. What about Shalina? Maybe in order to do this, you may need to reduce the one on the right to lowest terms first. Then you can find the answer. If you don't reduce, it's going to be very difficult. A clue for you, 36 and 45 can both be divided by 9. That's your clue.
This one worksheet, what?
Worksheet. This is Raffles Girls Primary School, as you can see over here. Primary 5, SA1 2018. Please do not refer to the answer key. See, Shafia went to find that.
It's a sheep.
Yeah, because these papers are all online. You can check www.free.sg test papers or something like that. You can find that.
You know, you're basically telling us where to get the answers.
Yeah, but why would you want to do that? You're an honest person. Someone you're fasting. Why would you want to do that?
I don't
Okay. Let's see, we're waiting for Umaira and the girl who's searching for the answer key. Shalina has given the answer. The answer is different from no result. So let us reduce now. Divide by 9.
Wait.
Divide by 9. You tell me now. What times 9 equals to 36, Umaira? What times 9 equals 36? And what times 9 equals 45? 4. And the other one is? What times 9 equals 45?
5.
5. Now, then the next one is 16. 16 is over here. 4 times what equals to 16? 4 times what equals to 16? 4 times? 4 times? 4 times 4. So you do the same thing. You times 4 also down here. 5 times 4, what do you get? 5 times 4, do you get? What do you get? One student say get 2, one say get 3. 20. Yes, well done. Umaira has just scored a goal. Congratulations to Miss Shalina. It is 20. Yeah. So you see what you need to do. Sometimes you need to reduce the ratio first before you increase. Okay. All right. Sorry, I can't hear what you say.
You should just come back from school.
Did Shalina just come back from school? I'm not too sure. Shalina, you can answer her. Are you just back from school? Yes. She is in school, she says. No.
So late she come back.
She's hardworking. She's a most hardworking girl in school. Right, Shalina? Is it true?
Wait, how come both of them ever come last week?
Because you are the most hardworking there. Okay, all right, here we go. We try now question 15. Question 15, let's see. You know what this is? This means liters. If you do not know, I'll just put in this color here, I'll write it down. This means liters. If you do not know what liters is, please have a look at your carton of milk susu and you will find this. This L stands for liters. Not little, little is different. Liter. This is British spelling. Izzat, okay lah Izzat? You looking at mommy? Everything okay lah? You see, that's why I need the video on. Okay? I can see what's happening. Aduh. One girl always asking me when is the tuition going to end. Shafia! 6 p.m. Okay, come.
Usually the person who asks is always Auni.
Auni, yeah? Yeah, but this one is a different class, so now Shafia is saying she's bored.
So Shafia is like Auni.
Yeah, but because this is a 1 hour one, I'm not going to tell stories and all. Okay, maybe those in 1.5 hours they cannot tahan, so sometimes they might have stories and whatnot for this one.
Yeah,
Okay, come. Let us try this one. I know it's a little bit, but it's not difficult. Actually, it's just a little bit. We give you 2 minutes to solve this. At the end of 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do. Over. Because I want to eat, I also want to eat. Okay, Shalina and Izzat, thank you for your answer. Umaira, your answer is not. Oh, 7 p.m. Umaira, do the question, don't answer Shafia. Apalah ni. Come. 1 minute more. Let us see whether theory is correct. According to answer key, I'm so sorry, Mr. Norizat and Ms. Shalina, your answer is incorrect according to the answer key, but the answer key may be wrong. We will check this in a moment.
Can you show me the
what is the answer?
I do not know. Number one.
Yeah, question number 1.
Question number 1. Not yet. Now we are doing this. Don't worry about finding the paper. You are busy finding the paper and then worry you are hungry. Come, focus on this. Come. All right. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. Imagine now you have not 8 liters. Let's say you have 20 liters. Okay. And then this is now the drawing now of Jolene. Her name is Jolene. Now there is going to be 10 parts here. Why 10 parts? Because they show you here there's 10 parts. Can you see? So that's why I'm drawing 10 parts. Okay. And say out of the 10 parts, 3 parts. Sorry, this thing, if I press wrongly, it disappears. Okay, 3 parts here. You see, are the parts that she used for frying chicken. By the way, I just came back from Saint Chung Farm. But anyway, for frying chicken, and this is left. So I'm going to ask you now, how many units are left? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3 used. You can take 10 minus 3, get 7. So 7 parts have left. They're asking you how much cooking oil is left. Now, they say, if you read this carefully now, that she had 3/10 of it. This it is the total amount of cooking oil. Of we can change to times. So if you want to find the amount of oil that has been used, you can take 3/10 times the total amount. But if you want to find the leftover, what is left, you know it's 7 parts here. So you take 7/10 of what? Of means times the total. Let's say the total is 20. Let's say. So we put 20 here, okay? We put 20 here. And then let's say, imagine it's 20, okay? Imagine first. So you divide, you get 7 times 2 is 14. Can you see now? So I can find it this way. So if I want to find what's left now, I use the real amount. The real amount is not 20 liters. The real amount is 5/8. So I take 7 over 10. Why I take 7 over 10? This is the amount that is left times, ran out of ink again. Sorry, of course. Digitally, you cannot run out ink times 5 over 8.
Is it I hit the blenders
This,
on again?
yes, I'm so sorry. My wife is blending mango juice for me. Mangoes are rather cheap now. Okay, but anyway, 7 over 10 times 5. Okay, so divide by 2, divide by 5, you get 2. Divide by 5, you get 1. Now you can't divide anymore. So you times 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 8 is 16. And that is your answer, 7 over 16 liters. You see, I don't understand. Okay, that is why we use the 20 liters as an example. All right, but this is your answer for this. So when you get a little bit confused, you can change this to a number, not a fraction. Okay, let's say like 20. And then you can find out, you can work out. Okay, if you don't get it, I'm going to show you again. Okay, down here, imagine the whole thing is 20 liters. Imagine the whole thing. 20. Imagine this one now, let's say we don't understand using fractions, so we can use 20 liters here. Then how many units altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units is how much? 10 units is 20 liters. Okay, so you find 1 unit. How to find 1 unit? 1 unit is 20 divided by 10. You get 2. 20 divided by 10, you get 2 liters. So 1 unit is 2 liters. Can you see now? 1 unit is 2 liters. So this is, what did you use for the chicken? 2 for 6 liters. What is balance? You take 20 minus 6 liters, you get 14 liters. So what we see are the steps. So what's the step? You can find now the amount that is left. The fraction is left 710. Use 310, 710 is left. Of means times, you times by the total, which is 58 liters. Okay, if you don't get it, you got to watch the video and try this question on your own. Okay, and try this question on your own. Okay, we try. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, don't worry about which paper we are doing. Okay, we try and keep on trying. Okay, let us see now. Let us see now. We do a few. This one now. They ask you to find the answer in simplest form. You can do this. You can do this. Izzat, come on, Izzat. You're the only boy here, Izzat. Please show how fast you are.
He's basically not the only boy.
Then who? You are not a boy.
So
All
you
those.
are a boy.
Oh yeah, I'm big boy, is it? Yeah, to my mother, I might still be a boy. You can send your answers by chat. Come, Shafia, who are you looking at? Are you thinking or looking at someone? Don't look at the corner of the room. There's a jinn there. Joking, just joking. Come on, Shafia. 1 minute more because this is a straightforward question. We have the first answer coming in. I think this is from Miss Shafia. Shafia, this is a very big answer, Shafia. Very, very big. Something is wrong with the answer. Try again, try again, try again, try again. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, my house seems to be full of echo.
We're just saying the word and then saying it again but softer.
Are you sure? Come, hurry. Okay, Norizat got the answer. Let's see whether it's correct. We are waiting for the rest. Okay, you have given answer. Okay, let us see, Mr. Norizat. And Norizat's answer is congratulations, Mr. Norizat. You can collect a free prize from your mom. You will collect a free prize from mom. Get free cookie. Okay, come. What about the rest?
I think all of us get a free. We all
Free?
get a free present.
Okay.
Hari Raya Eve gitu. So,
There's one girl in this class. Every week she has new items. Now she'll be showing me. Later she can show you. You can ask some of it. Raya, you go to a house, you can get a lot of ang pao and present. Okay, come here. You guys are a little bit slow, so we got to go through. Shalina can do, not Shalina? Still doing. Shafia can do, not Shafia? No. Umaira? No. Okay. Okay, so this 9, you can put it as 9 over 1.
Oh, okay. Don't tell me I remember now.
Aduh. Shalina, what about you, Shalina? Have you given the answer? Then,
I still remember. Never mind.
then times 5 over 12. Now, those of you who are not comfortable with the cancelling method, you can take 9 times 5, get 45. And then after that, how? And then 1 times 12, get 12. Then you need to divide and reduce. You will get your answer, no problem. But there's another way. The other way is to reduce while you are multiplying. Now, how to do that? It's the same thing as reducing at the end. Ask yourself, which of the top numbers and bottom numbers can be divided by the same number? Oh, 9 can divide by 3. Can you see? 12 can divide by 3. As you can see, 12 divided by 3 gets 4. 9 divided by 3 gets 3. And then now you cannot divide anymore. Top times top. 3 times 5, 15. 1 times 4, 4. Now what do you do next? Okay, you have to use long division. Long division, okay? Divide by 4. Well, the biggest number will be 12 over here, right? And 12 divided by 4, you get 30. All right? And you minus, you get 30 also. This quotient is called a quotient, is the big number. This one is always the denominator, always at the bottom. And the top number is 30. Congratulations to Mr. Izzat. Yes. All right, we move on to the next question. You all get how to do this. I give you another question on my own then. All right, I give you another question on my own. Here we go. Ready and go. 3 over 4 times 10. And go, please. Try to do this. We have only half an hour left, 30 minutes left. What is that? There's a clock. I see. All the latest gadget. You are the James Bond of items. James Bond got a lot of items, no? Okay.
A big copy for her birthday.
Sorry?
A big copy.
A big one? I cannot hear.
A big copy.
Complete is what is complete?
Cockpit.
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 One, it pops, but my one got one.
Cockpit. Oh, okay, cockpit. I never heard of that word. Sorry. I've been cockpit. I've never heard of it. Okay, Izzat has given an answer. Let us see whether it's correct. We're waiting for the rest of you. The rest of you, please. Izzat, why are you in darkness, Izzat? Like in the dark. Don't play in the darkness, Izzat. Anyway, let's see now.
How do you expect us to be fast?
I don't know. Izzat is fast.
He's a boy.
Don't say that. Okay, that's not the right thing to say. Are you saying that boys are better than girls? Shalina, you agree with what she said? Certain things. Yeah, no. I mean, we won't go into that discussion. After that, we might be in trouble. Okay, let's see. Izzat, I think your answer is absolutely correct. Congratulations again. You get another prize from Mommy. The prize can be as simple as like someone playing with your hair or pulling your ear. Yeah. Okay, come. Hey, Umaira, we are waiting for you, Umaira. You used to be the fastest girl. Okay, let's see. What about Shalina? Can do not, Shalina?
Yeah, maybe I'm the fastest girl in the other class. Because
No,
they are
don't say that.
before.
Don't say that. Okay, you are fast. You are very fast.
Fast.
The only thing is that your mind sometimes running all around. You got to catch your mind. See, is that he caught his mind and now he's down, lying down. So, is that you okay? Is that? You just wait for a while, okay? Just a moment. I want to minimize the screen to show you the next question, but I might we let the rest. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina? Are you okay, Miss Shalina? Yes?
While you wait, you can just search what is a puppet.
No, I don't know on the search here. I'm just looking at all of you. I need to look at all of you. Then
No,
who's
I
Kasha?
later.
Later, okay, later. Okay, I just checked. You say pop it. Pop it is to pop in the question when I want to ask someone to marry you. Okay, let's see. Hey, come. Hey, Umaira, you got to focus on this. You're focusing on pop it lah. Come, show me the answer. Shalina, what about you, Shalina? Are you able to... Shalina, can you hear me? Are you able to do? What's your answer? Send me your answer lah. Husna Shafia. If not, I have to show you. Okay, now I'm showing you now. 3 over 4 times, put the 10 over 1. All right. And then how? You can do your own method if you want to. 3 times 10, 30. Then divide by 4. You can reduce. You can do this way, no problem. Then divide by 2, divide by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2, you get 15 over 4. And then how you need to do long division. All right, 15 over 4 is correct, but you need to do long division to make your answer as a mixed number. Okay, another way is actually to reduce. You see, I can divide by 2, I get 2. I can divide by 2, I get 5. 3 times 5, 15. 2 times 1, sorry, this is over 2, not over 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Can you see, still get the same answer?
Teacher,
So, yeah. 7
can you give
yes,
us,
well done.
can you give us,
Congratulations.
can you give us another question for that?
For this one, okay, in a moment. So Shalina, well done. The answer is correct. 15 divided by 2, you get 14 over here and 7 over here. And then you minus, you get 1. So your answer is, I'm going to write over here, 7 whole, 1 over 2. Okay, I'm going to give you, as requested, a new question now. Here we go. Try your best, okay? All right, remember, you are representing your school. If you are able to make it, this, oops, sorry. If you're able to make it, you do your school proud.
What do you mean by we are representing our school?
What do I mean? Okay, now,
Representing what school?
okay, you are from whatever school you're from. You are from Hick Girls, right? So, and then, yeah. Let's try. This is a little bit easier. You don't need to divide. So some of you will be able to get it faster. Let's see. We have 2 persons getting it. All right. Okay. Shalina, be confident. Shalina, don't put a question mark. All right. Be confident. And your answer is, let's see. Your answer is correct. No result. Your answer is correct. What about the other 2 girls? You're waiting for Husna Shafia is missing in action. I'm going to give you the next question, okay? While we wait for the answer, you go for your next question. Next question, a little bit tougher. Not 3. Okay, so I need to show you this one again because 18 over 1 times 5 over 6. Now, you can reduce. 18 can divide by 6, you get 3. 6 divided by 6, you get 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Correct. 1 times 1, you don't need to put 15 over 1. 15 over 1 is 15. Okay, let's try the next one now. 24 times. Angle, please. Shafia, where are you, Shafia? You can still reduce to lowest term, I think, is that? If that's your answer, you can 2 and 10 can both be divided by 2. But I think there might be something. Yeah, okay, yeah, you're correct. Yeah, you can still be. Okay, correct. Is that all done? We're waiting for
Teacher,
the
wait.
rest. Yeah, we are waiting for you. We've been waiting for quite some time. Shalina, what's your answer? Umaira, what's your answer? Okay, congratulations, Shalina. You're getting it ready. What about the two girls? Okay, something is wrong there. Husna Shafia. Umaira, what about your answer? I don't see your answer now. Okay, I will go through that down here. So down here now you put 24, put 24 over 1. You can follow my steps lah. As I'm doing now, okay, you follow. Put 24 over 1. Uh-oh. 24, hold on. 24 over 1. Okay. And then you copy the same thing times 3 over 10. Now it's reducing. If you are confused by cancelling, okay, I'll use the reducing method. Reduce how you say both 10 and 24 can be divided by 2. So if you want to do like that, I put like that. Okay, 10 divided by 2, you get 5. But you see, I still need to cancel, right? Otherwise, you get confused. And this one divided by 2, what do you get? You get 12. Now, can you divide anymore? You cannot. Okay, cannot divide by 5. None of this can divide by 5. So what do you do? Take top number times top number. 12 times 3. You get 36. 1 times 5. You get 5. So what do you do now? You have to do long division. Okay. 36 divide by 5. Well, 35 can divide by 5. You get 7. And then when you minus, you get 1 here. So what number is this? Is 7 whole. Put the 5 below. The 5, whatever you divide is always the same. And 1 on here. 7, 1, 5. Okay. If you watch the video, okay? You move on. You watch the video if you cannot get it, okay? How to find the video, okay? Because Izzat is new, I'm gonna show her. Very, very simple.
What do you mean by he's new?
He's new on Zoom. He has not been on Zoom before. So down here, we just go to YouTube. You click www.youtube. Okay. Oh, there's too many W, sorry. Too many W. Okay. YouTube. Okay. And then you can type Mr. Shahid Zoom tuition. Like that. And then you will have lots. You see, you have different students, you see. So
I saw
you can,
Righty.
yes, right. So you can click one of them. Let's say you click one of them down here, and then you click the bottom one down here. You click Shahid Salim. Okay, you have playlists. I can go to the playlist, and then down here you can see primary 6 maths, primary 4 maths. You can see this girl here. You see this girl. You see primary 5 maths. So you can choose which level you want to revise. So then you click, let's say primary 4.
Why does it say math remedial?
Yeah, in fact, there was one day sometimes when students need remedial, sometimes not all the time, I made a call back for free remedial, and then I record it and put it up in case they need to revise again. So you can click P5 down here, the list, and then you can check the date. Okay, which date is it? Today is 11 May. Then you can have 11 May.
Naomi is alone in this class.
Yeah, okay. So you get it, is that you can revise. You can revise whatever level you want to. You can even go to Sec 1 level if you want to. Okay, but of course don't go there because you're not in Sec 1.
He's primary 1.
He's primary what? He's primary like you guys, lah. Okay. Okay, great. All right, here we
No.
go. No. Okay, here we go.
I primary 6.
Oh, primary six. Okay. Who's that? Shafia.
Because the other time I thought Ilhan was P5.
Are you sure? Shafia, you're primary six? Puasa, bohong. Huh? Come, go and buka. Although if it's true that you are primary six, you will not laugh. Let's say, I snap my fingers, you will be able to control yourself. See, she's laughing. Okay, we try now this one now. 25. 25. Shalina having headache, Shalina.
I know Shalina is.
Of course, I also know Shalina. We all know Shalina.
Teacher, I
Yeah.
thought Shalina is in the another max class.
But she can't make it on that day. So in honor of Shalina and Umaira, we have another, and the other class is full also, right? The other class, I think there's six or seven students. Right? So
Why doesn't Ayumi join this one?
I don't know. Maybe I should ask her to join. Yeah, maybe I should ask her to join. Yeah, good idea.
Then Ayumi won't be alone, right?
Maybe. Okay, come. Let us try.
Is that your son?
Yes, it is. He followed me to the Sanctuary chicken farm.
What did you say? You were mumbling. I cannot hear you.
So why am I mumbling? I just came back from the egg farm, smelling all eggy. Went to Seng Chun farm. Seng Chun farm, you know Seng Chun? Come you pass. Yeah. This egg farm, you know egg farm. I'm filming a documentary, and I went to the farm.
You or your son?
Yeah, me and my son. Both.
Or your son?
Yeah, together. So they gave us some eggs, right? And these eggs are all unfertilized eggs. That means these are eggs that can never be a chick. There's no embryo inside. And
Why cannot be a chick?
this is like, how do I tell? Okay, when you grow older, inshallah, you will have your like your menses, right? And then that is one. I don't know what is that.
Wow, Shafia so good.
Okay, and that means it's one egg coming out, but chicken they lay about one egg a day. So every day from this farm, there's about 600,000 eggs. They have about 900,000 chickens. So every day, almost one egg a day. They lay eggs like 300 days in a year. So
Why are you laughing?
okay. Sorry, I was saying goodbye to my son. I was hugging him.
Why you say
This is my son.
You said, is that your first son?
My second son.
Oh,
My first son.
the one that at the
behind you with the black baju?
That is my
the one
second
that
son.
he act.
Yeah, he acted. Yes. Okay.
What do you mean he acted?
Yeah, because the other day before I got to know you, Umaira, I invited Shafia and her sister and all that to act at the Andalus Center. So they acted, but they're so shy. I think you will not be shy. And next time I get you to act. Okay? You are natural actress. Act in some stuff that I'm doing. Some stuff I'm doing certain stuff, but yeah. Anyway, come. Let's come back to this. Come on. Okay. I do not know whether we are talking about other stuff, we are talking about this, but here we go.
Because 1 second I'm crying, 1 second I'm laughing about crying.
Yes, that'll be very good. That's good acting. Okay, here we go. So now she has a chef. He makes us flour with butter. And that's what your mummies do, your parents do. when they want to make kueh tart, right? They put flour, they put butter, and they put egg. How do I know? Because my mama is doing that right now. Okay, she's behind me. She's doing that right now.
You sure?
Can I show? Oh no, she's not doing that. There's a. Can you
Yeah.
see? Can you see the? Oh, can you see the kueh tart? Oh,
Can we say hi to her?
no lah. Why you say hi to me?
Teacher.
I'm just telling you about
Teacher.
about this question. Yes.
Then, where is your first son?
My first son is in
What?
another.
Just the
My
one.
first is in another home. Another home. Okay, I will explain that in a moment. Okay. Now we come back to this question. We come back to this question. Okay, we do this one, then you can ask me about. So now he's mixing the flour with the butter. Okay, and after, so you must add first. You must find out how much mixture do you get. Okay, so you do this. So how to add? You gotta change the denominator. The denominator is not the same. You must make it the same. How to make it the same? Well, find number. Okay, let's say you can just take 8 times 6 if you want to, or a smaller number is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. So you find a number, the smallest number, both of them can be multiplied to become. So 6 times 4 is 24, 8 times 3 is 24. Whatever you times the bottom number, you must times the top number. So the bottom number you times by 3, you must times the top number by 3. The bottom number you times by 4, you must times the top number 4. This one you don't times. This one don't times. So what do you get? You get 20 over 24. And then what do you get down here? Plus 15 over 24. So what do? You add them. You add them, what do you get? You get 1 whole 35 over 24. You say, oh, now what to do? I do not know how to divide 35 and 24. Never mind, I show you. Very easy. Okay, sorry. Chonting, sorry, me chonting. Now down here, you want to divide 35 by 24. So you do your timetable, just your 1 times 24 is 24. You can just do until 2 timetable, you can see it. 2 times 24 is 48. The next one is 48. So you cannot use 48, you only can use 24. Oh, so 24 here, this is 1 here. 1. So down here you minus, you get 11. You can see now. You get 11. So what to do now? This thing, remember, this thing, I'm going to circle it, okay? What is this? This is 1 whole 11 over 24. How do I know it's 11 over 24? We have just done the division. You see, this 35 divided by 24 is 1 whole 11 over 24 there. And then you must remember to plus this other one. There's another one on here. So when you plus 1 whole, you get 2 wholes. 11 over 24. Now this is the mixture. In kg, this is the mixture. Okay. And then he used 1/3 of the mixture. So they want to find the amount left. He used this amount. This one he used. So you want to find what's left, you got a minus. So you take 2/11 over 24 minus 1 1/3. So how to do this one? Well, do you know that 3 you can times by 8 to get 24? So times the top also to get 24. So what do you get? 2/11 over 24 minus 1/8 over 24. So now what to do? Take whole number minus whole number. 2 minus 1 is 1 whole. 11 minus 8 is 3 over 24. Now you're almost finished. Almost finished. This is the remainder, but both these numbers can divide by 3. You can reduce. Divide by 3 and divide by 3 at the bottom. What do you get? You will get 1 whole 1 out of 8 kg. And that is how you do it. Okay, all right. What happened to Sudan Shafia? She left. She's coming in again.
No, she's
Okay,
not here.
I don't know. I see her asking permission to enter. Okay, never mind. I
There's
think
two. There's two of her.
yeah, I think there's a it's like
Who's
a
that?
twin. It's a ghost, is it? Okay.
No,
So
the
you get it? Is you follow step by step. Again, if you can't get it, you got to watch the video. Okay.
Follow me then.
Not yet. We got 8 minutes more.
No.
What you want to ask about my son? Why is not me? Someone asked. I went through a divorce, so my sons are actually living with their mother in Pongo. So they come to see me regularly for the last maybe the last 15 years since they were small. Okay, that is the story. Okay, here we go.
So wait. What do you mean again? Can you say again? I didn't hear.
No, someone asked me where's my other son? My sons are actually living with their mother in Pongo. So they see me whenever they want to, every week, a few
You
times.
are living with your wife.
Yeah, but my first wife, the one that we went through a divorce, yeah, that's the sons are from her womb.
where is your first wife?
What sort of? How come you are doing the echo? Where's the what?
Where's your first wife?
She's in Pongola. I do not know. She's married to someone else. I cannot be chasing after her.
Then?
What?
He said, where is your first son?
First son is in Pongol.
No,
Okay.
where is your first wife?
I don't know. I do not want to follow where she goes to. We are just friends. Why you want me to follow my first wife? I think say you're a stalker. Stalker means
The one that I met your first wife.
following.
Oh, you mean the other one from Indonesia?
No, the one my current wife. Yes, she's my cat.
Can we say hi to
Later I'll
your
show you my. Aduh, okay. Hi to my first son.
not your mother?
Hey, come. Mother,
No.
no, we do this one first. Now we have another 6 minutes more. Then after that, we can say. Good.
Just now you said we can. Oh shit, me.
Yeah, we can. At 7 o'clock. You yourself say 7 o'clock, right? Come. Myra. Who's not Shafia? How to do this question? A little bit tricky, yeah? You have to do it in a more complex way, okay?
Battery is running low.
Whose battery?
Shafia.
Shafia, there's two Shafia. I do not know which one is the real one. Shafia, can the real one put up the hand? The real Shafia. Who's the one putting up? Oh, there's one. The one on top. Oh, the one on top is the real one. The one below is not. Okay. You got twin sister, Shafia. Okay. Try. You cannot find the base and height on here. You do not know what's the base. You do not know what's the base. You do not know what's the base. So how to do this question? You can't do it normally. You can't do this question normally. Anyone got an idea how to do this question? Anyone?
Look.
I will have to take a paper and pencil and show you how to do this question. Just give me a moment. While I go, just here, you can try to solve it, or you can look at the light bulb behind me.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
Way to get Mr. Shadi.
What? I cannot hear what you're saying. Yes. You want to see my wife? Well, I'm scared you might complain to her, do something wrong to you. She's reading the Quran now. She's
Oh.
she's reading the Quran because she wants to complete Quran recitation by Ramadan. She reads the whole Quran like a few times in Ramadan. And how many times does the husband read the Quran?
One.
For this Ramadan, I've been very bad. Zero, zero, zero. So don't follow me in that example. Follow my wife in that example. Okay, now what am I doing? I am now going to show you how to do this. Okay, all right, watch how to do this question. This is how you do it. You see this thing? Now you can't find the base because you do not know the base. But, sorry, down here. I will cut off this part. Here, I made a mistake, I think. But you can find the area of the rectangle. Yeah, and then you find the area of this triangle, you minus off the triangle.
It's so creepy.
Okay, and then you find, hey, girls, come, listen. Then you find the area of this triangle because you can find the base and height, and then you minus off from the area of the square or rectangle. And then the same thing, you do the same thing, you find the area of this triangle because you can find the base and height, and then you minus it off. So you need to find the area of the whole rectangle or square first, minus of 3 white triangles. Then you get blacky triangle. Okay, we see whether you can do it. We got 2 minutes more. Try to solve it in 2 minutes. Okay, I will give you some clues. Okay, down here now is 1 cm, so this is 2 cm. Okay, then down here now, from here to here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cm. Okay, and this is now from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4 cm. Can you see? You have it already. And can you, so from here to here is 1 cm, 1 cm. From here to here, 4 cm. From here to here, 2 cm. So step 1, find the area of this rectangle. Can you see a rectangle here? Not this one. We are not gonna hold on. We are not gonna look at this one. Okay, that means do not look at this triangle. This one we're not looking at this. Okay, I'm removing this part on here. Okay, imagine this part is not in. Okay, I'm just gonna find this triangle here, this one here. So this 4 times 5 down here. So step 1, just take area of rectangle is 4 times 5. And 4 times 5, the area is 20. Now remember what you need to do. You need to minus triangle 1 area, triangle 2's area, and triangle 3 area. So triangle 1 was the area? Half times base times height. Half times 4 times 1. This is the base and the height. Half times 4 times 1. Half times 4 times 1. What do you get? Okay, we are running out of time, so already 7 o'clock. So it's
Teacher.
2. Yeah.
After this, can we talk a little bit?
Can, but you're going to buka puasa. Okay, next one now. Half times 4 times 2. Okay, can. We can talk. Don't worry. Okay, half times 4 times 2. Okay, this is for triangle number 2. Okay, I can cancel down here 1. Okay, and I get 4. Triangle number 2's area is 4. Triangle number 3, half times 5 times 2. Half times 5 times 2. What do you get? Half times 5 times 2, you will get the answer as 5. So what do you do? Remember, take 20 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 5. And what do you get? The final answer you will get as 9 square cm. This black one here is 9 square cm, and that's how you do this question. How's it? Okay now. Sometimes you cannot solve your problems directly. You try to open the door with your hand, you cannot. Sometimes you need something else. You might need the key. Yes, Ms. Shafia, we have another 6 more minutes to book. What do you want to talk about?
Real story you want to share?
Real story. Okay, I will share with you about this one you may have heard already, but the rest have not. So I'm going to share with them. Uh, I'm going to share already. Yeah, I'm going to share. This is a true story. It happened about 2,000 years ago, and an entire city was covered, and you can see the date moments of people who died in this volcanic eruption. It's true. It's true. This is true.
Yeah.
So
Hear my story first lah.
you want to tell a story. Sorry. I thought you wanted a story. Okay, and go please. So sorry. See, Shalina is covering her head. Say, "Ya Allah, tolonglah this guy." Okay. And action. Aduh, kita say action. He say, wait. Cepat lah. Umairah nak minum lah. Okay, yes.
Just now early in the morning. Not morning lah. Like
We are getting a headache looking
I
at you.
think when I go home.
Okay.
When I go home, I rest. After that, my cousin and my small sister was playing. Playing with a ball, and then they ran outside the hall. After that, when they ran outside the hall, right, my cousin, right, she fell down, and then her head got a deep cut.
Oh,
Then got so many blood.
So much blood. Then how? You bring her to the hospital?
Hantu!
Hey, Astaghfirullah. Do you bring her to a hospital? You this girl, what is telling story? You turn off the thing.
No, I thought my brother. It's not. I closed the door. After that, someone that I thought the hantu opened the door.
Aduh.
I thought hantu opened the door.
Ramadan mana ada hantu lah. Okay, and then what happened? Then what happened to your cousin? Cannot hear you. You're on mute. Apa lah?
Your turn.
After that?
Your turn.
Oh, your turn. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Okay, that's it lah. We have 3 minutes only. 3 minutes. Okay. So happy berbuka. Okay. We'll see you next week. Inshallah. You take care. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care.